What you doing?
I want to take a picture of just the head.
Just the head?
But I'm not staying still enough.
That? That fish, eh? Did you try any?
Huh?
Did you have any of that?
Yeah.
What do you think? No? No. Was not a fan.
How come it's not focusing?
I'll show you in a minute. So you like this place so far?
Yeah.
Excellent. Bedtime soon? And then tomorrow we're gonna go and what are we gonna do tomorrow?
Look around more.
Look around more? Look around more is fine. Yeah, that sounds good. We'll look around more. Okay, bye.